Hello bachcho, let's see the question, and the question says that find of the point R which divides the joint of P, that is 0 comma 0 comma 0, and Q, that is 4 comma minus 1 comma minus 2 in the ratio 1:2 externally, and verify that P is a midpoint of a segment RQ. Okay, so let's solve the question. So key concept for this question is, okay, so let's say that is point A and that is point B. Okay, and let's say C is a externally point, let's say that is C, and it's divide a line AB into m/n, so that is C. तो basically ये किस रेशियो में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, CA रेशियो CB. So CA here we have M, and CB, that is a CB, that is a N. Okay, and here to find the coordinate of a point C, and let's say coordinate of a point A is x1, y1 and z1, and coordinate of a point B is x2, y2 and z2. Okay, so here C divide AB externally. Okay, so coordinate of a C, let's say coordinate of a C is x, y and z. We have here that is x2m minus 1n whole upon m minus n. Second coordinate will be y2m minus y1n whole upon m minus n. And last coordinate we have here, that is z2m minus z1n whole upon m minus n. That is the three coordinate which we have to find. Okay, so here in this question given that we have to find point R, and given the coordinate here of a point P, and that is point, let's say this is point P and that is point Q. Okay, and let's say R be any point, okay, which divide line PQ, that is the line PQ, okay, into 1:2. So first we have to write coordinate of a P, that is 0 comma 0 comma 0. Coordinate of Q we have given here 4 comma minus 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 2, and given here this R point divide the line PQ in the ratio, here RP is 1 and RQ will be 2. Okay, so here the ratio will be M ratio N given here 1:2. So let's find the coordinate of R, that is given here, let's say X, Y and Z. So coordinate of a R will be X, Y, Z. According to the formula we have coordinate of R, that is, so here x2 minus m, so that will be, we have here 4 into 1. Okay, here that is a m and that is n. X1, y1, z1, x2, y2 and z2. So first we have to find coordinate of x, so that will be x2 multiply by n and x1 multiply by n. So we know that x1 is 0, तो ये वाली टर्म पूरी क्या हो जाएगी 0, and upon m minus n, so that will be 1 minus 2 comma, next coordinate will be 1 into minus 1, because next coordinate भी minus वाला coordinate हमारे पास क्या है 0, so that will be 0 and whole upon 1 minus 2. Again last coordinate will be 1 minus 2 and whole upon 1 minus 2, that will be, we have third coordinate. So our answer will be minus 1 upon minus 1 comma, and that will be minus 2 upon minus 1. Okay, so at the last we have a coordinate, that is value of R, X, Y and Z, so that will be minus 4 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, so that will be coordinate of X, Y and Z. Okay, so these point are 4 minus 4 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, read the question. We have to find again, that is we have to verify that P is a midpoint of a segment RQ. Okay, so we have to prove that P is the segment, P is the midpoint, that is this P, which have a coordinate 0 comma 0, and that is a midpoint of RQ, that is this segment. Okay, so if a point, let's say let P is a midpoint of RQ, then it must be satisfy this condition. That condition will be the coordinate of a P, that is 0, 0, 0, is equal to, we have uh, the coordinate of RQ. So that is, we have a relation between the coordinate of RQ, that is uh, what we have, that is x plus x2 upon 2, comma, because here coordinate of a R is xyz and coordinate of a Q represented by x2, y2 and z2. Okay, so next one will be y plus y2 upon 2, and here z plus z2 upon 2. So it must satisfy this condition. Okay, so let's find uh, x1 plus x2 upon 2. So that will be what we have here. That will be, we know that we have here 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 upon 2. So that will be 0. Yes, this satisfy this condition. So our first coordinate of P satisfy this first coordinate of a midpoint of RQ. Now next condition we have to satisfy y plus y2 upon 2. So that will be minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. So that will be equal to 0. Yes, it is also satisfy this condition because second coordinate we have here 0. Next coordinate we have z plus z2 upon 2, and that will be, we have here minus 2 plus 2 upon 2. So that will be also 0. So yeah, again yes, it is satisfied third condition, that is coordinate of P will be 0, 0, 0. So yes, so from, let's say, that is our equation number first, that is our equation number second, and that is our equation number third. So now we can say that from equation number 1, second and third, P is midpoint of RQ. Okay, so this will be our answer. So I hope you all understood it. Thank you and all the best.